Hello. Alright, so I'm actually planning 2 weeks in advance here because I'm going to Vegas, so I'll be out. Time you see this video, I will be back from Vegas, but you know, I won't have time to plan. So this one's probably going to be a little bit more bare than usual because you know, I'll have to kind of see how things go. But we'll go ahead and get started. So this week I am using these two. This one is from the Felty Depot, and this one is from Clip It Crafts. I just thought this was the cutest Dobby paper clip. From the Cynical Planner, I have my Rose Gold Film, Edit, and Upload. From the Angel Shoppe, I have this super cute little Harry Potter mini hopper planner kit that I'm using, hence those. From Three Tiny Bows, I have these Relax and Chill stickers, and I do PR for her. The code is TTBVANNESSA to save 20%. And from Brianna Nicole Designz, I have some more numbers. I have my YouTube stickers. I have these super cute little Traveler's Notebook stickers, and then I'm going to use the Insta sticker off here. And I do PR for her. She runs a lot of sales, so make sure you check them out. So we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm going to do, these are kind of a slick type of sticker. So I'm going to kind of do mine a little bit different. Let's see how it goes. But I like these borders. There, and I will use the date dots to put my numbers down. So I will miss Mother's Day weekend, so I went ahead and sent my mom her stuff early. That way, hopefully, because I got her an Etsy gift card. So maybe she'll be able to order and stuff will be in by Mother's Day and she'll be able to use it. So there's the dates. And I really love this Mischief Managed. I'm going to put it right down here. So I'll put this on this side. And I'll have to remember to get, because this is a shiny kit, to make sure that I get a pen to write with that it doesn't wipe off. This is a very cute kit. I really like it. And there's my weekend banner. And I will use the lightning bolt up here. Because I will be flying home. So this is the day I return home. So I will mark that. So all my video postings, it's going to cover everything up, will be done these days. Use this tracker here. keep track of my PR post. And then I will use these to make a second. It's alright, everything down there. Alrighty. So then we'll put Harry here, Hermione here, and I'll put Ron up here, and Hedwig, just because he's my favorite, I'll put him on the day I come back. And I think I've used most of what I want off those sheets. So this sticker here says Quiet Evening, which will be this day. And I will be doing some major relaxing, because after that long trip and all the flights, I will be tired. I'm going to put a couch here, but we've got actually a show we're going to go see that day, so I'll use it for that. And then my edit and my uploads will be done, like I said, Wednesday and Thursday. I might actually get to one Tuesday, and if I do, I'll just move the stickers. And then I'll go back to filming on Sunday. And I wanted to use this pretty planner right here. Alrighty. I think that is everything I wanted to use for this week here. And like I said, you know, it's kind of basic. I'm sure I'll fill in more once I get back from my trip and I know what all I'm doing. I'll kind of hold it up so the light's not glaring. So there is my spread for this week. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.